So, hi guys. I'm here today to talk about my experience on getting the COVID-19 vaccination, first shot. Okay. So yesterday I received my first shot, and there were people who were texting me कि कैसे मिला, 18 to 44 age group में कैसे मिल रहा है, how are you finding the slots and all. So I just thought I just put in my experience and into a small video and just give you an idea of how the things are working at the other end. ठीक है. So first thing कि फॉर पीपल हु आर स्टिल नॉट अवेयर कि 18 to 44 एज ग्रुप का वैक्सीनेशन तो गवर्नमेंट ने बंद कर दिया था. सो हाउ आर पीपल गेटिंग वैक्सीनेटेड. सो लेट मी टेल यू, 18 to 44 एज ग्रुप का वैक्सीनेशन इज नॉट ऑन only at the government centers. Okay, they are still being provided at certain listed private hospitals in Mumbai. I am from Mumbai, so I can just vouch for Mumbai. I don't know about any other place. So yes, Maharashtra, Mumbai, around Mumbai जो भी है, you all can take this video and benefit from it. So yeah, so 18 plus का वैक्सीनेशन जो है वो हो रहा है, and it is still going on only at private hospitals at a cost which is not nominal. So let me tell you, it ranges from 870 goes till 1300. So yes, that is what you're supposed to share. So that's about the awareness. Next thing is booking. Okay, now before you go to booking, you are supposed to register yourself on the CoWIN portal. Okay, so register your contact number, register your Aadhaar on the CoWIN portal. Do this thing, which is the first step for getting your vaccination slot. Okay, second thing is booking your appointment, which is a task. Let me tell you, it's a task. So not all are getting through it easily. तो है भी नहीं वो easy. So I'll just you'll get to know as you go through the video. So it's a task for which you're supposed to take a day off. And why a day off? Because ऐसा लग तो होता नहीं किसी का कि एक स्लॉट ओपन हो गया एंड आपको उसमें बुकिंग मिल गया. तो ट्राई वेरियस स्लॉट्स, एंड वो वेरियस स्लॉट्स जो है वो अलग अलग टाइमिंग पे खुलते हैं. ठीक है. सो देयर इज नो फिक्स टाइम फॉर ओपनिंग ऑफ स्लॉट्स. दे ओपन रैंडमली, दे ओपन एट डिफरेंट टाइम स्लॉट्स. ओके, एज पर द सेंटर्स एंड द पिन कोड्स. तो उसके लिए आपको ट्रेस करते रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो you may not be successful on day 1 or maybe day 2. So day 3, day 1 and day 2 में आप इतने एक्सपर्ट हो जाओगे कि day 3 तक आपको स्लॉट मिलना ही. I spent a week without the hacks and I was not able to get it. I spent one day with the hack and I could get my slot booked. So the hacks are that effective. So just follow my video, hacks देख लो. ठीक है, and thank me later. Bye bye. So once you're done registering yourself on the CoWIN portal, please go and download Safari browser from the internet. It is available for both the Android as well as iOS devices. One of my friends had suggested and recommended this app. It seems it helps you get the slot booking faster. So yes, I did that. And this browser will be used to get your slots through the CoWIN portal. So just remember, you're supposed to use this browser. Next is go to the Play Store, download Telegram app. Now, Telegram has few links which helps you get pop-ups when there are slot openings at various centers across the district, across the state. Okay, so this is a must. So this is the second hack. It will ask for your number and will verify your number after a call. So allow all the permissions and get this app sorted. So the next hack is visit the link that I'll be sharing here in the post below. This link has the details of the districts that you belong to. You can choose the district as per your choice. That is the dose 1, dose 2, 18 to 44 age group, and join the channel. These are channels on Telegram app. Okay, and these channels give you real-time update on all the slots that have been opening in the centers across your district. Okay, so choose as per your location, whatever suits you and whatever is convenient to you. Okay, so you can choose for dose 1, you can choose for dose 2, and that for the age group that you prefer. Okay, so choose it accordingly. Go and join that link on Telegram. And after that, you're supposed to go to the notification settings and turn on the notifications. Okay, so turn on the notifications, put the sound loud so that each time there's a pop-up of a slot opening at any of the centers in your particular district or location, it will be showing it to you, or it will be notifying you on your screen. Next is to stay logged in into the CoWIN portal always, okay, and I mean always. That's because if you lose a chance, it's gone. The slots are getting booked very fast, within seconds they are gone. So stay logged into your CoWIN portal through another device or through the same device maybe, but take time off and be logged in into it throughout. So each time you get a pop-up through the Telegram app, just go enter the passcode. Now look at this. This is a pop-up which I've received on my app. So I'm entering the pin here, and the search option shows me the details. Put a filter for 18 plus. If you're looking out for 18 plus vaccination, go get the slot, book the timing, put in the captcha. Now might be that there are times when you would not be able to get through this, but don't stop trying. Get back, go to next pop-up, or refresh the feed once again by clicking on the search option, and again continue the search. Now there would be another pop-up that would be coming in sooner or later, so keep checking. So there you see there's another pop-up out here with a new pin code. So I'm entering the new pin code here, and there you go, search, filter. See, now whenever there are slots available like this, even pop-ups for these are shown, so don't miss out. Enter the time slot. Don't be choosy, don't be picky on the location, on the time slot. Just enter wherever you get a slot available. Just enter the captcha and try to confirm. Now I wasn't able to successfully proceed with this one, and that's because the slots got booked immediately. So within seconds they vanish, so you need to be very quick here. And that's the reason the Telegram channels, you see, they give you the pop-up. Just if you're logged in, enter the captcha, enter the time slot that you wish to, and just book it. Okay, so that way you can just keep on checking on the CoWIN portal, stay logged in, keep checking your pop-ups from the Telegram, and I'm sure you'll get through this. So yeah, it's a task, but let me tell you, take a day off. And if you need to get vaccinated, especially people in this age group 18 to 44, if you need to get vaccinated, you need to keep doing this. You need to keep entering the details like this. Take a day off, and I'm sure you would be done with this.